Finally, I've purchased the phone. So I'm filming with my new phone. Hey folks, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a challenge to take. Challenge to take means my phone, which is existing phone, my iPhone is just gone for a toss. Nothing works in that, so I urgently need to buy an iPhone. And come with me. I thought I'll share the journey with you. So come with me. We'll buy the iPhone. Let me see what fits my budget and what is it that I need. But I need a phone, that's for sure. So come with me. Finally, I have reached here. This is the Grand Central Mall, Seawoods, and there is a Maple store here. I had called them, so let me see. So finally reached the mall. Let's go. And neither am I liking it. I think I'll go for the red this time because I've already used rose gold and white, so I'll go for the red. Wow, so finally unboxing.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hey guys, finally I've purchased the phone. So I'm filming with my new phone. That was a very eventful day for me. I really wanted to buy a new phone and I'm happy to have one. We're back home now. It's almost 9:30. The whole day, half the day was after my phone, just getting the data transferred, everything. Most of the features what I see, yes, they are improvised, especially the camera, the video quality, the pictures and so many other things. But I think that this is not a tech channel, so if you want more information about the technical knowledge of iPhone 13, then you can go there. Yes, I purchased the iPhone 13. Not the Pro or the Pro Max. It was not needed for me and it was very high on budget. So I just purchased what was best with me, and I hope you like my journey buying the phone with me, and I'm going to film with my new phone here onwards. Also, this shot I'm shooting from my new phone and it's going to be very different as compared to the earlier shots. You can see the difference. If you can see the difference, then comment in the comment section below. Love and see you.